How to create an account in kFriends app. Hey everybody, if you're wondering how, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can go ahead and open up the app after it is downloaded. And once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. So in the sign up page, in order to create an account, you can just go ahead and either create an account using Facebook, or you can also use Gmail instead. So if you go with the manual process of creating by email, you can tap on the option called sign up by email. Tap on it. After that, in the first section of email, you need to go ahead and enter up your email address. After that, on the second one, you need to enter up a password. And on the third, confirm your password and tap on sign up. And then you need to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you can go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions and tap on agree and join. And once you do that, you can select up a country from where you are. And after that, select up your language. And then go ahead and tap on next at the top. After that, enter up your personal information like your date of birth, your profile picture, your information, your gender, and tap on next at the top. And once everything completes, you should be able to create an account in kFriends app. So that is it for now. That is how you create an account in kFriends app. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.